Daddy, let's play a game with me.
What game is that?
I don't know its name.
Please tell me how to play it.
There's 6 little boys here. We need to shoot one by one up here. Then the ball will fall down. There are many cells below. Each cell has a score. We will sum up all the score for each turn. Who has a greater score in total will be the winner.
It sounds easy.
Let's play it.
Okay, when I start first or when you start later?
What? It makes no sense. I will start first.
Why?
Because I'm smaller than you.
It's not fair enough, but okay, go ahead.
It's fair enough. Yay, 60.
60. Oh, not bad.
Daddy, please help me.
With the score, okay? I need to hang the score up here.
Yes.
Okay.
Yay, 80.
Huh? Very good. Very good shooting. Okay, keep going. Oh, sorry boy, got sticky.
I have 3 left.
Yes, keep going. Oh, sorry boy, 0 again. Okay.
I have 2 left. 10.
10.
Then I have
The last one. The last one.
30.
Okay, not bad. Is that my turn now?
Yes.
That's the way we restart it. Okay, very good. Look at me. I will got 100. Oh, 30. Please help me. Look at me. 100. Oh, finally. Oh, 60. Not bad. I will get 100 now. Oh.
It's still stuck.
Oh, 10.
Okay.
10. I still have 2 left.
We still have 2 left.
Oh, so it's sticky.
It is sticky.
Yes, I got 0. Poor me. Bad luck.
Yeah.
Oh, 5
5.
again. I have 2 5. Can you guess who will be the winner?
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay. So now we need to do calculation.
Yes.
Okay.
0
Please
plus
help
0
me.
plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 equal to 0. Okay. 6 plus 8. 6 plus 8 is equal to 40. 40 plus 4 is equal to the last 4 is equal to 15. 15 plus 15 plus 3 is equal to 18.
Yeah, 18.
80. 80.
I think I will be the winner. Do you think so?
I don't know.
10.
Yeah. Perfect. Yes. Okay. 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. I plus 1 is equal to 10. 10.
10.
10 plus 1 is equal to 11.
Yes, 11.
11.
So what is your score?
My score is 180.
Yes,
Your
10.
score is 110.
So who is winner?
Me!
Why?
Because my score is better than your score.
How do you feel now?
I feel happy.
How do you feel if you are the loser?
I still feel happy.
Why?
Because it doesn't matter when we are winner or loser.
Why not?
Because we have both fun when we play game together.
Oh, so sweet.
Should we play another game?
Why not? So who will start first now?
You.
Why?
Because you are a loser.
It seems fair enough. Okay, let's take the score off.
Yeah.